Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to activate Cash App card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to activate a Cash App card, you need a Cash App card itself and your Cash App account. So once you have it, you need to simply tap open your Cash App account. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So all you need to do now is simply tap on the card icon on the bottom screen. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you are here, all you need to do is simply tap on your activate option. Once you tap on your activate option, you will end up in this kind of interface, which will now allow you to scan your Cash App physical card. So once you scan your QR code of your card, you will need to now simply tap on the continue button. After you tap on the continue button, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply tap on set up direct deposit and fill in all the details that are required. After you have filled this in, you will be able to activate a Cash App card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.